The 5G Data Hub presents relevant data and metrics tailored to the unique needs and priorities of different actors in the field of 5G and 6G. The tool aims to track 5G development across the Nordic-Baltic region, highlight innovative uses of 5G technology, and enhance cross-border collaboration by connecting stakeholders. Type in nordregioprojects.org/digihub and click on the data dashboard. The dashboard shows 5G coverage and 5G activities like innovations and testbeds. You can switch between the views by clicking on the icon. You can also zoom in and out using the scroll button and click on different activities to learn more. In the upper right corner of the map, you can choose to filter by country, urbanization degree, and % of household covered. To the right, there is a search function where you can type in a keyword, like drones. If we have a look at the right corner in the top, you'll find the menu. The 5G Analytics section page offers a clear comparative overview, allowing you to select and compare multiple countries. Here you can access the information coming from our 5G survey and get an overview of main vendors, 5G application development stages, types of networks, industry verticals, main operators, and 5G application cases technology. You can also learn more about 5G coverage analytics and filter it. Further down in the menu, you find the National Indicators section. Here you see the indicators specific to the Nordic-Baltic region from the Mobile Market DESI tool about 5G mobile broadband coverage and 5G spectrum. Additionally, you can access national reports in the menu and learn more about the 5G status for the country chosen. Discover things like commercial operators, rollout indicators, challenges and strengths, interesting initiatives and main verticals, 5G applications, and testbeds. Also notice that you can download the data.